Good morning student. Today in this video we will discuss about the aims of psychotherapy and the causes stated by different therapy. So children, as yesterday I discussed about therapeutic approaches, which means different therapies are used in order to deal with different types of psychological illness. So children, it is believed that the people who suffer from mental problem, the use of therapy is different as compared to the people who suffer from the behavior problem. The mode of treatment is different. So dealing with the client problem, therapists play a very important role in overcoming the problem of the client. So while giving the therapy to the client, one need to be non-judgmental, and therapists need to have empathy regarding the problem of the client. Then only the use of therapy can be effective for the client as well as for the therapist. Now children, talking about the aims of psychotherapy, they are as follows. Psychotherapy is used to change the maladaptive behavior, a behavior which is inappropriate and which affect an individual's functioning as well as the optimal growth of an individual. Secondly, psychotherapy aims at modifying the habits which are inappropriate according to the individuals. For example, a person starts taking up drugs or start taking of cocaine in larger amount. It is important to modify the habit of an individual. So children, modification is given either with the use of reinforcement or with the negative reinforcement. Negative reinforcement is generally painful for the client. It is given in order to change the habit of an individual so that he or she does not adapt those activities again in his life, such as intake of drugs and other substance abuse. Now the third aim of psychotherapy is changing the thinking pattern. The people who develop irrational or illogical thinking regarding a particular object or regarding a particular person, which may affect an individual's mental functioning. So psychotherapy aims at changing thinking pattern of an individual with the use of different therapies, such as cognitive behavior therapy is used. On the other hand, psychotherapy also helps an individual in improving the interpersonal relations and communication, and makes her or him aware of one's choices in life, what are his responsibility as an individual. And psychotherapy aims at an individual to become a more productive member of the society in a more creative and being in a self-aware manner. So children, these are the major aim of the psychotherapy. So children, as I told you before, psychotherapies are used in order to change the maladaptive behavior, decreasing the psychological distress and helping the client to adapt to her or his environment in a more better manner. Now children, talking about the mode of treatment which is done by the different therapists, it is done under the supervision. One need to have the training so that outcome of the each therapy becomes an effective for the client. While giving the treatment, it is important for the therapist to form the interaction with the client so that one becomes aware about the choices and emotional problems of the client can be known to the therapist. Now children, knowing about the cause of the psychological problem or a disorder, each therapy states the cause and the treatment is different from one another. Now children, talking about the first therapy, that is psychodynamic therapy, which was developed by Sigmund Freud, as we have studied earlier in chapter number 4. So children, states that psychological problem arises because of intrapsychic conflict, the conflict which is within an individual when a person is unable to express his feeling or desires, or we can say when the feelings are repressed, then a person suffers from the intrapsychic conflict. and this is the reason which makes a person to suffer from psychological disorder. On the other hand, talking about the behavior therapy, now children, behavior therapy states that the major cause of the psychological problem arise due to the faulty learning of behavior, which means maladaptive behavior and cognitions. When people develop irrational or illogical thinking about a particular thing around their environment, then people suffer from psychological problem or a disorder. On the other hand, existential therapy, which states that unless and until people are able to know about their own self or to know about what is their existential, what are their responsibility, if people fail to know about their own inner self, this could be one of the cause of psychological disorder, which makes a person to suffer from psychological problem. So children one need to know about their responsibility and what are their role in a particular environment. This is the major concern taken under the existential therapies. Now children, each therapy has a different mode of treatment of these psychological disorders, which comprises of psychodynamic therapies. Now children, under the psychodynamic therapies, which state that people suffer from the psychological problem due to the intrapsychic conflict when people feeling or desired are repressed for a longer period of time, then people suffer from psychological problem. So the method which is used to overcome the psychological disorder, it is free association and dream interpretation method is used. Now children, discussing about the free association method, it is a method in which subject or a client is told to lie down on a couch by the therapist, and the client is told to express whatever is coming in his or her mind, so that the therapist come to know about the unconsciousness desire of the client. So after noting down the unconsciousness desired by the therapist, it gives a clear image to the therapist about the psychological problem, the cause, and on that method, on that basis, the therapist come to know about the client problem. Another method that is used to know about the intrapsychic conflict, that is dream interpretation. Now the client is told to discuss about the dream. So when the therapist discuss whatever the symbols have occurred during the dream, it gives an idea to the therapist what is going inside the unconscious mind. So children, when psychotherapy is given to an individual, two methods are used: free association and dream interpretation. So children, today as I've discussed about aims of psychotherapies and different methods that are used under the psychotherapies, so make a note of this in your notebook children.